Just arrived in Raetihi and heading out to do a 3-day, 2-night bike ride to the bridge to nowhere, so it's going to be epic. This is Anzac weekend. It's just starting to get a little bit cold and going to be camping on this one. See how we go. So I'm on the road at last. I had a few issues with my bags because of the weight and just distributing the weight, because the seat post bag was sort of bouncing on the tyre a little bit, so I had to kind of rearrange things. But beautiful day out here, and finally we're going. Riding down this beautiful valley with all the autumn trees, autumn sunshine, loving every minute. So I've made it out to Ruatiti Domain and heading to Johnson's clearing, and our best estimate is it's about 28 kilometres I think from here to there, but there is the Trig, so there's a bit of a hill to go over between here and there, and just heading onto the Mangapurua Track, which is part of the Mountains to Sea cycle trail. Plenty of reason to huff and puff going up these massive hills. I've come up the valley way down there, just making my way up. There's a farmhouse down there and carrying on, and the hills are just getting bigger and bigger. Just got to where the start of the Mangapurua Track is, and there's big massive car parking here, so you could actually come up and park here before starting. Just toilet over there and really good signboards here. So I've just come up here from State Highway 4 to the track start, and it's about 400 metre elevation up to the Mangapurua Trig. That goes off to Whakahoro, Blue Duck Station that way, and I'm going to carry on to Johnson's Clearing today, and then tomorrow down past Battleship Bluff down to the Mangapurua landing, the other end of the track. So it's about 12 kilometres from where I was just before up to the Trig station, and 400 metres elevation gain, and I'm sort of roughly calculated that's about 100 metres per 3 kilometres. I think we're going to lose the sunlight to get to where I was planning to go, because the big valleys, the sun is going to drop down behind the valleys pretty early, so might not get all the way to Johnson's Clearing. Might just end up pitching the tent somewhere along this track. We'll see how we go. This track, it's in terrific condition, but boy, this is a really big climb. So far it's been metalled all the way. Come about, I think about 4.5 kilometres up this valley here, pretty steep climbing. That is Ruapehu over there, and Ngauruhoe, just with a little bit of cloud on top, and Tongariro to the left of them. So it's the late afternoon sun catching them. I haven't quite made it to the Mangapurua Trig station. It's just getting a little bit dark now, so I decided to stop and put the tent up here. And back in the day, settlers were up here, so I've just stopped where Jack McIntyre and family had their home. And when Jack came back from World War I, apparently he was given or balloted this 850 acre lot up here to establish a farm up here on the mountaintop, and there's just no sign of any of that now.